Hello and welcome back to the channel. You might notice I have a visitor with me again today. This is Duncan. The main reason that he wanted to make this video today was another one of these Munchpak candy boxes arrived. And luckily they arrived when it did because we're hopefully gonna be moving in the next couple of weeks. So we're gonna dive into this box, see what they sent us, what sort of international treats that we get to pig out on this time. If you're interested in picking up a Munchpak of your own, there'll be a link down below. I talked about the pricing and everything in the last box that I made about them. Decently fair with a lot of stuff inside of each box, so I can't complain about it. Can you complain about it? He can't complain about it. Let's see what's in it. Go for it. We got this card. Same thing, made with love by Francis. Rip it, tear it, or use your teeth. Happy snacking. Then we get the Munchpak paper and grab something out and we'll talk about it.
I don't want to try this.
No, we don't have to try everything. So this says, lots of letters that I don't recognize. Paprika flavored cracker. And on the back, it mentions that these are from Thailand. So I think I've actually had paprika flavored things before and they're pretty decent, but he doesn't want to try them. I'm not in a huge hurry to try them at the moment. Maybe later. Next up, what is this? Oh, there we go. Berts British hand-cooked potato chips. What flavor is that?
Vintage cheddar and green onion.
All right. Cheddar and green onion. I'm going to go ahead and open these. Oh, but I see something else in there that cheddar and green onion. Do you want to try one?
Oh, man.
It's cheesy. It's oniony. I like them. You probably won't. Not a big fan?
I like them.
He likes them. Cool.
I'm not taking it.
You're not taking it?
I'm not eating this.
You're not eating this? What is this? Mini Talkies. Fuego Azul. I've had Talkies before. I'm a big fan of Talkies. It says Fuego, which means fire, and Azul, I believe, means blue, so blue fire. You know I've got to try them. You don't have to try them. It's something that's spicy. Let's see what Fuego Azul Talkies are. They're blue. They're covered in blue powder.
They look like a Talkie.
Well, they're not bad. I'm making a really bad face. It's a really interesting combination. It's very spicy, not blowing me away spicy, but very spicy. It's got a little bit of a lime flavor and a little bit of almost a blue raspberry flavor. I guess that's because I'm expecting it to be blue. Next up in the box. There's lots of stuff in this box. We've already had this. We had this last time, and Duncan put 2 of these in his mouth in the last video. I'll link to the last video down below. These are kind of like Dum Dum Sucker Pops, but they kind of fizz also. They're like Ramune soda. Ramune, I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's a soda from Japan. Very good candy. I definitely appreciate it.
Still, don't put too
It's just a little fizzy for you.
Don't put too many in your mouth.
What is next?
This looks like
It's a good time to wash our mouths out. You're right. So this says Nachan Suntory 40% non-carbonated soft drink. And looking at the ingredients, water, orange, high fructose corn syrup. So this is some sort of an orange soda that's not carbonated.
I really want to try.
And it's Japanese, so let's see, does it say shake well anywhere before I open it? It does not. It says keep refrigerated. It smells like orange juice. Tastes like orange juice. Tastes like orange flavored soda, but
Yeah.
it's not strong orange like you'd get in American sodas. It's a lot more like traditional orange juice, though. That's good. Needs to be cold. Oh, and you found your treat. Haribo Twin Snakes Gummy Candy, sweet and sour. Uh-oh. All right, we'll open it. It actually shows the flavor combinations on the back. You got sweet, cherry apple, blueberry, sour, orange, lemon, and black currant.
I kind of want sweet.
Well, go ahead and try to figure one out. Just.
Purple.
Oh, you're gonna search for it? I think it's multicolored. It says combinations. There you go, grab that one. Oh, they're two-headed.
Uh-oh.
So you get both in one. So this one is apple lemon. Taste very good.
I want another one.
Kind of apple-y, kind of lemony.
I like them a lot. Whoa.
Those are good.
Ha!
These will definitely disappear very quickly around here. What else do we have? This we actually had in our last box, didn't we? Yeah, these are the wheat crackers, the bourbon wheat crackers. Very, very tasty things. They did not last long around here either. Put those off to the side. They don't need to be opened. They are delicious. Next up, lemonade. I'm gonna guess that this is gum or fruit chews or something. Cannot read the language there. It looked like Korean though. And I don't see any other sort of text on there to signify what it might actually be. So I'll take a piece out and give it a shot. You wanna give it a try too? No, you're gonna sit there and eat your gummies. This is just lemonade candy. Very hard at first. I guess you have to suck on it a minute to sort of soften it up. It has a pretty strong lemony taste. Very, very chewy though. Well, lose the filling. It looks like we've got 4 more items in here, and just looking at them from a distance, they all look chocolatey, so I'm very excited. Although we'll take our time with these. What is this one you pulled? It looks Japanese. It says Black Thunder Chocolate. Chocolate covered cocoa cookie bar from Japan. I'm not gonna open all of these because we don't need this much chocolate all at once. We'll space it out, but chocolate covered cocoa cookie bar from Japan. You don't like cocoa? He'd probably like it. Then we see a Nestle Drifter bar. It looks like it's 2 fingers, kind of like a Kit Kat, and it's got a little bit of a ridge to it. And on the back it says, crisp wafer dipped in chewy caramel 30% and covered in milk chocolate. So it sounds kind of like a Twix. Definitely looking forward to that. Got Nestle Marocas probably. Galletas Sabor of, nope, I'm not going that far into it. Don't speak Spanish that well. But yeah, it looks like crackers with chocolate in the middle, biscuits, however you'd want to say it. That actually looks pretty good, and there's a small amount of it, and there's 2 of them, so seems appropriate. Uh-oh, one is broken.
I kind of want to try it.
Well, there's 2 portions within here, and each of them have a cracker with chocolate on the bottom, so there you go. He's still chewing on gummies over here. The gummies are always the hit in this household. Not a very strong taste. Got some chocolate, got some biscuit. It's pretty good. Sneak in more. That one's very good. I'm a fan.
I enjoyed it a lot.
You enjoyed it, yeah. And then while you're eating that, the last thing in here, which I'm not going to open, Elite Mosaic, says milk chocolate with biscuits and hazelnut cream. And just looking at the packaging, on the back this says that it's from Turkey, but it was imported into New Jersey. So some Turkish milk chocolate with biscuits and hazelnut cream. Looks pretty tasty. Lots of chocolate, lots of sweet, lots of stuff in this box. And it is sort of the right combination between salty, sweet and sour, chocolatey. Sort of hits all sides of the spectrum, the original box. They do have a smaller one if this is too much for you, and then a much, much bigger one if you just really need all of the candy in the world once a month or 4 times a month. You can kind of tailor your subscription to your needs, your wants, however big your family is and how much candy and snacks and everything that you consume and you want to try. I've been very impressed with this box so far. So thanks again to Munchpak for continuing to send these boxes our way. Duncan is going to take off with some of these sweet things, with probably some of the gummies and some of the lemon things. I'll give you some help. There you go. It's hard, so you're going to have to suck on it for a few minutes before it'll soften up.
It looks like a Starburst.
It's kind of like a Starburst, yeah. So don't just immediately try to chew it. You'll break your teeth. And that's where we're going to wrap the video up for today. What did you think? Was it an okay box?
I think it was really good.
He was really good. 2 thumbs up from this household. So thanks again to Munchpak for sending these boxes out to us. And they actually rushed this one out because I did mention that we're going to be moving, and it came a lot sooner than I thought it was going to. So thank you for that. Thanks to you guys for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel to get notified when new videos do come out. And we'll see you again next time.